வணக்கம். Intimacy is cardinal for the survival of both sexually reproducing and social organisms. The higher the intellect, the higher the need for dependence and intimacy. Humans are highly dependent, rational animals in general. Being an extremely social species, the health of our social structure is highly dependent on the number of individuals in the group and the flexibility of the social structure. The impact of intimacy and the lack of it on our biopsychosocial health is adequately documented in the scientific literature. Based on age, sex, education, and culture, the term intimacy takes on various meanings and multiple definitions exist in the scientific literature. And there's no consensus among researchers or practitioners and between the two. I find intimacy as the sum of positive understanding and feeling of dependence and close connectedness, the sense of satisfaction in giving and or receiving in the relationships, and the willingness to maintain the relationships. Intimacy is what is holding the civic structures from falling apart. It provides a non threatening social environment for the children and adults alike to take, explore, learn, grow, experiment, find themselves, understand the civic structures, and to contribute to the civilization. Neurotic needs arise as a result of the lack of intimacy, which in turn results in neurotic dynamics. The neurotic dynamics, if unchecked, will cause the civic structures to collapse. Humanity has reached a crucial stage. Our needs and goals cannot be healthily satisfied and achieved, for most of them are neurotic ones. The most rational animals' irrational needs and dynamics is about to trigger a multi-continental intra-specific competition in which we will lose almost half of our biologically healthy individuals. Millions of other species will suffer, and in total, we would have wiped billions of individual lives and irrecoverably damage our Mother Earth. Intimacy is the elixir of life. Intimacy is the elixir for good civic health. We are facing intimacy crisis, a psychosocio pandemic, and I request the World Health Organization to initiate large scale intimacy enhancement programs. Within 3 to 18 months, we would be able to reap the benefits of these programs. These programs' success can be objectively measured by the drop in suicide rate, hate speech, hate crimes, and other crimes in general. These programs will also help reduce the global burden of mental health problems such as depression and anxiety, and will increase the threshold for stress in general. I look forward to partner up with the WHO. Let's see. நன்றி.